cancel me after this. मित्रों,
मेरा माननीय गृह मंत्री जी से ये सवाल है कि 2014 में जब इनकी सरकार आई थी तब एक डॉलर बस, हमारा रुपया ठीक चल रही है, रुपया नहीं गिर रही है, डॉलर बढ़ रही है।
बेरोजगारी, नेहरू जी, टैक्स, नेहरू जी, एग्जाम लीक, नेहरू जी। हमारा देश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के हिसाब से एक सेक्युलर कंट्री है, हिंदू धर्म को गाली दी।
देखो मित्रों,
मैंने आपके लिए भगवी चूड़ियां धारण की और मैं ये हरी चूड़ियों का त्याग करता। जिस दिन मैं हिंदू मुसलमान करूं उस दिन मेरा सर धड़ से अलग हो जाना चाहिए।
एयरपोर्ट पर जो समोसे बेचे जाते हैं,
नेहरू जी,
एक आम आदमी 28 दिनों का रिचार्ज करवाते हुए भी 1 महीने का पैसा देता है।
नेहरू जी,
पेट्रोल डीजल का उपयोग हम करें।
यार की गैल चले काफला कारा का, डाउन टू अर्थ रवे चोरा जमींदारा का, रे बूढ़ा गैल मेरे कर्म कलाकारा का, रे भारत देश मेरा चांद सितारा का।
मैं चाहता हूँ देश इसी तरह विश्व गुरु बना रहे।
Hey, what's up Z Squad? It's me Vanshika Bishnoi, your host and your host, and welcome to another episode of Unfiltered Gen Z Talks. और आज के एपिसोड में हम सिर्फ बात करेंगे लड़कियों से, क्योंकि लड़कों को बात करना नहीं आता। It's going to be a girl special episode. और सवाल क्या होने वाला है? सिर्फ एक सवाल। What was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chaddha has joined BJP? आप अपने रिएक्शंस भी कमेंट्स में ज़रूर लिखना। एक्चुअल में ये चैनल मैंने बनाया था जेनजी के ओपिनियंस को आगे ले जाने के लिए, बट टर्न्स आउट कि ऊनो रिवर्स हो गया और जेनजी प्रमोट होने से ज़्यादा एक्सपोज हो रहे हैं। मतलब उन्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं है। मैं मतलब लड़कियों के पास जा रही हूँ एंड दे लाइक हुज राघव चड्ढा। थोड़ा तो अवेयर रहो अपने देश के बारे में कि कौन पॉलिटिशियन है, क्या करना चाह रहे हैं। I was so frustrated after this. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video.
The dragon has 3 heads. One to be a murderer who will unleash death. One to be a monarch whose crown will weigh heavy. And one to be mad whose ideas will change history.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
डेढ़ पत्ती चाय की पतीला पानी का, हरियाणे में हल्ला मच गया ताते पानी का।
What was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chaddha joined BJP?
Actually, I don't have such kind of political opinion, but if you are asking so, I think it's his choice, I guess. If he's thinking that he should go in BJP, then that's what he did. And I don't have any negative comments on that. I think he did right.
Okay.
If he thinks so that he should join BJP, that's what he did. So,
Did you not have any expectations from him?
yes, I did. I have all kind of expectations from politicians. I think they should do more for our country. Let's see what will he do in BJP. Yeah, thank you.
Hey guys, what was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chaddha joined BJP?
Actually, we are not comfortable in this. Thank you.
What was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chaddha joined BJP? Hi girls, what was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chaddha joined BJP?
No. Who is Raghav Chaddha?
He's a politician.
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know Raghav
Yeah.
Chaddha. Okay. Hi girls, what was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chadha joined BJP?
What was it? No, I wasn't shocked. I know that people are not trustworthy right now.
Okay. Did you have any kind of expectations from him in the first place?
No, we didn't have. We don't even have expectations from ourselves.
Okay.
Gen Zs.
अपने साथ मत जोड़िए हमको अलग है
Who's your favorite politician?
I don't have any.
I also don't have any.
Are you interested in politics?
No, like I am a law student, but no interest.
Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Hi girls, what was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chadha joined BJP?
पहले से पता था.
So you were aware. You did not have any expectations from him कि he can make a change for the Gen Z.
He can make. He has potential to make changes.
Now do you have any expectations from him that he joined BJP?
Yeah,
Still?
maybe. Now he has power to make change. By joining BJP, he can make changes.
Hi girls, what was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chadha joined BJP?
We are not that politically aware, but उसकी मर्जी है यार. It felt like when your friend betrays you, it almost felt like that.
Okay, so you had expectations from Raghav Chadha.
Yeah, I started to have expectations from him.
Hi girls, what was your reaction when you got to know that Raghav Chadha joined BJP?
Why are you recording first of all?